tour of Piasa Park, the city of Alton. And as you can see, because of the pandemic, the bathrooms are closed off, restrooms, whatever you want to call them. But what I really come here to look at is the Piasa bird. And if you would like to read this, the legend of the Piasa, you have to freeze it. I forgot my glasses, so I'm not going to try to read it. And that right over here, right up there, that is the Piasa bird. And I'll explain more about that in a second. Okay, and there is the Piasa bird. And the way I recall is that that was some creature made up by the native Indians to scare people, I think, their own kind. And I think they used it against, or on, not against, but on Lewis and Clark coming down the Mississippi and other frontiersmen. This, I guess, is maybe one of the areas we're able to get to. Okay. And you can see the cavern here. Did the Piasa bird live in these caves? What do you think? Can you see a Piasa bird picking up Pioneer, dragging it into him or her, into the cave, devouring it or feeding its young or something? Yeah? I'll try to get down from here. Wish me luck. The old Piasa bird. Yes, it is. Ferocious thing here. Terrible. Let's see. Looks like it has like claws on it, like maybe a chicken hawk or something. Deer antlers on it. A beard. Terrible teeth there. I don't know what that head's supposed to be shaped like. What animals do you see in this video, in this picture? If you like, just leave a comment. Well, thank you very much for joining Dillinger 101. If you like this video, please jump up and down on the like button. And when you get done with that, go call your mama and tell your mama you're not only going to stomp on the like button, but you're going to subscribe. Your mama knows better.